Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can see from the title, we're going to be decluttering and putting things away. It's going to be the festive season soon, so I thought it would be best for me to declutter my cupboards and be using my favorite product of all, elbow grease, which is going to be removing the dust, all the dirt and all the oils, and stick around to see how well it will work, and you can help me and get yourself motivated to clear your cupboards too. So join me today. Apologies for the lighting. I am filming in autumn and the light changes every minute, so some shots are going to be lighter, some shots are going to be darker, but just bear with me. But yeah, back to the video. So I have days where I don't have enough energy, I'm tired, I can't be bothered to put things where they normally would stay. So this shelf normally has my spices and my everyday oils that I use for cooking. The top shelf is supposed to have all the extra oils and the extra stuff that I would normally have as backup. So I'm going to put things in order, including the teas and coffees. Yeah, it's a mess. Take everything out so that we can do a deep clean inside there, all the oils and so everything is officially out of the cupboards. I can now give everything a quick wipe to get rid of all the extra bits that would have fallen out, like the coffees and crumbs and stuff. The outside and the inside of the cupboards, I'm going to be using elbow grease and my elbow grease scrubbing pad. These are my favorite combinations for anything to do with grease or any buildup. These are my two go-to products. The outside of the cupboards and the inside. So let's get on with it. So I'm just going to use a paper towel, a wet paper towel, just to remove the remainder. I'm going to get my elbow grease. Where quite a bit of coffee and dust normally resides. Look at that. So it's picked up quite a bit of the dirt. I'm going to do the outside now. Cupboards now clean. I'm going to now start sorting out all the stuff that I had inside it and finding homes and separating them inside the little cup baskets that I've got. So every place has got, well, every product has got to have a home. So these are all my oils. I'm going to put all the oils together and hopefully this will minimize me getting lost when I'm looking for specific things and I can't find them. It's because I would have put them in the wrong place. So I'm going to put everything inside its own basket, which I think is going to be an effective way. So all the baking products and all the baking stuff stays in one corner, and all my rices and all my yeah, as you can see, basically everything's gonna have a home. And because we do tend to cook quite a lot of things, and I tend to like to put things at arm's reach. I do have another storage cabinet where all my other food stays, but this is my everyday, day-to-day stuff that I use. So everything's getting packed up and put away. Thrown out. Yeah, some. Just quickly spray it. So that's all my backup spices all stored up and ready to stay in the cupboard. And I just have to finish this one, which is my other everyday spices, but this is just like the bigger packs and the backup. And then this is just for your everyday stuff. So this one is now ready. So up we go. Then my bigger packs. So what I normally do with this is I normally store things that I'm currently using. So like my spaghetti, half open spaghetti that I'm using during this week. I just normally keep everything in there. So this is like a multifunctional. Okay, so that's the bottom drawer almost completed. So at the bottom shelf now almost complete. I'm just going to now put the remainder of my stuff inside the little box. But if you're finding this video to be helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know how you store your spices and how do you organize your shelves. And what products do you use to clean your shelves as well, to remove any spillages that you would have. I've actually been enjoying watching people organize their shelves. It's kind of been really weird to watch. It's actually quite therapeutic. I don't know. But if you're watching this, it means that you actually enjoy watching people tidy up and store up their shelves, their fridges. But anyway, I'm hoping that this gives you the motivation to tidy up your shelves, especially if they are looking like mine, or how mine did. But this is what they look like now. Ta-da! So this is what my cupboard looks like now. Everything has been emptied. All the stuff that was out of date has been chucked out, and everything, the surfaces have been cleaned. I love using elbow grease because it melts away all the dirt, dust, grease, whatever would be at the bottom or around the surfaces. Elbow grease works really well to get rid of that. So my cupboards are now looking glistening and clean. So what I'm going to do is at the base here, I'm probably going to add some paper towel just to make sure that you know, all the spices and all the oils don't go back onto the cupboard again, just in case I have any more spillages. I know there's a film or there's a film or something that you can put at the base that these don't get spoiled, but when I think of the name I'll let you know. But until then I'll probably just put paper towel. So this is everything now fully organized, and yeah, I think it looks a lot better and a breath of fresh air. More organized, and I can find things. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was very helpful and gave you the motivation that you're looking for to tidy up your cupboards and put things where they stay and basically find a home for everything. I find having a decluttered cupboard means decluttered mind, decluttered heart. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.